ChatGPT is in the field of conversational AI. The model can be used to develop AI and virtual assistants that can understand and respond to human queries in a natural and human-like manner. It can be used in customer service, e-commerce, and other industries to provide a more efficient experience for users. Another application is in content generation, where ChatGPT can be used to generate news articles, product descriptions, and other types of content. This can save time and resources for publishers, marketers, and other professionals who need to produce large amounts of content quickly. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can understand and generate a wide range of language and content. Its ability to generate coherent and fluent text makes it well-suited for a variety of natural language processing tasks, such as conversational AI and content generation. With its ability to be fine-tuned for specific tasks or domains, the possibilities for ChatGPT are endless.